Kubor ka Batisi TV. Lawan Rashapi da ka Orange Nissan Loom So Po near Fabricate Shillong. Ringkat bat ka Victorium ka Dukan ki Tiar Kilan Met ka Babhatam Hakador ka Babit. Hannong Thumai Old Beat House Shillong.
Chairman cum Managing Director Jong Meghalaya Energy Corporation Limited Arun Kumar Kembahavi ula penpau ya kajing sngo thikna ba kani ka slempen mi boarding jong ka sarkar jilla kan sala abante lakam ya kajing do nong ne ka technical and commercial loss la kumno hadu snem arhajar arfuar kat kum kajing etho jong Kembahavi Yamenta ka MEECL kalamat ya kajing do nong ka bahadu lai pusau persen bat kat kum kajing batai ka jong la kumno haus nem arhajar arfuar kani ka corporation kan sala bante lakam ya kani kajing do nong hapo ka arpo persen andala pentrai kam ya ka smart meter project ka ban salong ka wai ni kilat kilenti ki ban khanglat ya kajing sha to boarding ha ka jilla.
So I'm planning to go everywhere, not just one or two. We, as I said, 2300 MU, 2300 million units is the energy that we inject, and 1700 MU is the energy that we recover. That means 600 is lost. The effect of that inspection and so many other reforms that we have initiated in the last 6 months is already showing results. I've said that January, February we have touched 83 and 83 crore. February being 3 days less, we have clocked 83 crore in those 2 months, and in March, today is the 31st. I'm hoping that we will be touching 100 crore for March. And this is the highest revenue generated by MECL ever in the history, purely from internal billing. I'm not talking about export of electricity yet, because we are not exported anything, because this is a lean season, and that's why there was a lot of hue and cry. Then I thought that let the record be straight, let people know that what is going on in MECL. If, as I said, 300 crore every year in the last 10 years, we have lost 3,000 crore. With that kind of money, we would have been a surplus corporation, not a deficit corporation. So our annual loss is, last year our annual loss was 500 crore. So if we had managed to control this loss of unrecoverable billing, then we would not have been in this position. And the fact that we are introducing so many reforms, as I said, will not be appreciated by certain sections of the society, and we are pretty okay with that. I mean, we're not here to please anyone. Preliminary step, we have already transferred all the officers who are there in the vigilance, not one or two, all the officers who are there in the vigilance of Riboy, because it's a highly sensitive area, highly industrious area. So we didn't want to take any chance, and I have immediately served the transfer orders to everyone. But as I said, this is only a preliminary step. When the inquiry is done by an independent investigation agency, if the inquiry finds out that yes, there is a collusion, there is a connivance, there is certain engineers or officers, field officers wear hands in glove with the industrialists, then whatever action contemplated by the state government will be duly initiated against them.